Welcome to the best picks. The best Kohler command fuel pump is probably one of the most critical components in ensuring your outdoor power equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. In this video, we will deep dive into the Kohler command fuel pump, exploring its features, benefits, and factors to consider when choosing the right one for your specific needs, helping you make an informed decision and avoid costly mistakes. Number 5. HIPA Kohler fuel pump. This fuel pump is compatible with a wide range of Kohler engines, ensuring a reliable fuel supply for your equipment. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. It works with various Kohler models, including CH, CV, SV, and ZT series engines. Check your engine's model and part numbers to confirm compatibility before purchasing. This fuel pump is perfect for keeping your lawn mower running smoothly. It's designed for small engines up to 25 horsepower. It's not just for lawn mowers, it also works with generators and other small engines from brands like Honda. This makes it a versatile solution for various applications. This is a vacuum-style fuel pump, using engine pressure to pump fuel. It fits a 1/4-inch fuel line and is compatible with gasoline, including various ethanol blends. This pump replaces several common Kohler part numbers, including 808492 and 808656. Always double-check your part numbers to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility with various Kohler engines and other brands. Its vacuum pump design ensures efficient fuel delivery. If your current fuel pump is failing and you need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. Fuel pump replacement was a very speedy install with a fit and quality that rival OEM parts. Worked and fit great. OEM quality. Number 4. Kohler fuel pump. This fuel pump is designed for Kohler 17 HP, 25 HP small engines, ensuring your lawn mower or tractor runs smoothly. It's brand new and ready to install. It fits a wide range of equipment including Club Car FE290 and FE350 Kawasaki engines, and various models from John Deere, Honda, and Yamaha. Check the description for a complete list of compatible models. This fuel pump replaces several OEM part numbers, making it a convenient and cost-effective solution. You can easily find your equivalent part number in the product description. It's built to last, ensuring reliable performance and longevity. The pump comes with a fuel filter for added protection. Installation is straightforward, but if you have any questions or concerns, please contact us before purchasing. We are here to help. Always double-check the model number to ensure compatibility before ordering. If you're unsure, reach out to our customer support team for assistance. What we like. This fuel pump is specifically designed for many Kohler engines. It's compatible with a wide range of models, making it a versatile option. If you need a direct replacement for your Kohler engine, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfect. No issues, AMD bolted right on. Kohler 20 horsepower engine. Exact fit for my Kohler engine. Easy to install and works great. Great price for the pump, and it came with a new fuel filter. With this kit, I replaced the fuel pump and fuel filter. I cranked the ignition and she roared to life like new. Number 3. KIPA fuel pump for Kohler. This fuel pump is designed for a variety of lawn mowers and tractors. It's a direct replacement for many common models, ensuring a reliable and efficient fuel supply. It's specifically compatible with several Kohler engine models. Check your owner's manual to verify compatibility before purchasing. This pump also fits various John Deere and Toro models. Make sure it's the right part for your equipment. In addition to John Deere and Toro, it's compatible with Craftsman, Cub Cadet, and other popular brands. Always double-check compatibility. It's designed for straightforward installation. However, consult your owner's manual for specific instructions and ensure proper fitment. This fuel pump provides reliable performance and is built to last. Enjoy a smooth and efficient operation of your equipment. What we like. This option is compatible with a wide variety of lawn mower brands and models. It's built to last, providing long-term reliable performance. If you're looking for a durable and versatile fuel pump, this is a great option. What people say. Replaced the fuel pump and carburetor on a John Deere LX255 with a Kohler CV15S. Easy installation and perfect fit with no leaks. Fuel pump fits on a Kohler motor like the OEM unit. This part has plastic hose connections, where the OEM had metal, but doesn't affect its installation. Kit comes with all gaskets needed for installation. The pump operates like it should, no issues with fuel flow or any leaks. Bought this for an old Craftsman tractor. Assembling the fuel pump took about 5 minutes, it took another 10 to install it. The tractor fired right up and has worked great since then. Number 2. Kohler Engine Fuel Pump Kit. This fuel pump kit ensures your Kohler engine runs smoothly. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's compatible with a wide range of Kohler engines, including CH18, CH25, CH620-750, and ECH630, ECH749 models. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, minimizing downtime and getting you back to work quickly. No special tools are needed. It uses only high-quality components for long-lasting durability and reliable operation. You can trust it to keep your equipment running for years. It's a direct replacement for several Kohler parts, including 24-559-02S, 24-559-03S, 24-559-05S, 24-559-08S, and 24-559-10S. Simply replace your old part with this one. Don't let a faulty fuel pump slow you down. Order your Kohler fuel pump kit today and get back to work. What we like. It's specifically designed for various Kohler engines, offering a precise fit. This complete kit includes everything you need for a smooth replacement. If you value convenience and a hassle-free installation, this is the best choice. What people say. It fit perfectly, performance equal to original. Fit and worked as advertised. Exact copy of the OEM part and it works very well. Number 1. ROP Shop Fuel Pump Kit. This kit is designed for Kohler Command vertical engines, ensuring a reliable fuel supply. It's a direct replacement, making installation easy. It includes everything you need for a complete replacement: fuel pump, fittings, gaskets, spacer, snap ring, and flange bolts. Everything is shown in the first image. The arm length is 1/5/8 inches, and it fits a 1/4-inch inner diameter fuel line. It's made of durable plastic for long-lasting performance. This fuel pump is not compatible with fuels containing more than 10% ethanol. Please check your fuel type before installation. Remember to install the inlet and outlet fittings before mounting. Use the snap ring to depress the release tabs, this prevents damage and leaks. Get the ROP Shop Fuel Pump Kit for a reliable and efficient fuel system. It's the perfect solution for your Kohler engine maintenance. What we like. This kit comes with all the necessary parts for a quick and easy installation. The pump itself is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor equipment. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install fuel pump, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits and works perfectly. This product worked right out of the package as well or better than the OEM product for 3 times the amount. Received on time. Product worked as expected. Used on John Deere lawn tractor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.